Same again, let's make sure in millimeters. Use our trusted template. Make sure you fill in the details for the actual component when you finish. Okay. So let's have a look. What layer do we need to be on? We need to have a centre line quickly. So a centre line like that. We can make sure it's vertical. So let's do this. Make sure it's vertical. Yes. Change our layer. Go on to the format layer. Okay. And what we're going to do, we can do the circles if you want at the top. Do you want to do circles at the top? Easy bit? Let's do the easy win. So let's have a look, let's do the easy win. Let's go above this, circle. So the top circle is 32, or 32, which means that it's 16 in the radius. So 16 radius. Let's have a look. We've got another one in there, 22. Means it's 11, like that. Then we've got the M14, so it's M14, so let's do that, so we're going to do the inner side of that, that's an M14 times 2, so the inside one is a 12 mil circle, so it's 12 mil because you've got 1 mil either side to get the cut, you've got 2 M2 on that, 2 mil pitch. To do the pitch on that, let's do this. Use a centre. Use a centre point arc. And the usual thing, chaps and ladies, go up to the top here, make it so that it's 7, bring it round. Now remember, you always go slightly past where the centre point is. There's a centre point. You go past it to denote that it's actually a thread on the outside. Very important that you do that. Very, very important.
Wait, hold on. How do you do that?
Just go to centre point arc over there. Use a centre point arc. Pick in the middle, touch on the top, and then put it round. And you'll note when you do a thread, you always, you've got a quadrant point, you always go past it to denote it's a thread. That's in BS standards, ANSI, and DIN standards. Okay. So we're trying to hit all the numbers here. We okay this? Love this. We've got a, what else have we got on there? We've got a hidden detail under there. So we've got a hidden detail. Let's have a look. So, we've got a hidden detail on here. It doesn't show you so it shows you the diameter is 32. 32 minus 3 is 26. So let's do a circle, but I'm going to do a hidden detail. Hidden detail. Okay. And hopefully I'll do this and it'll be right. Do this, put it up there. It needs to be 13, which is up here somewhere, is it? Which is there. Beautiful, finally. Thank you. And that's that. Because that is a tuck under here. You can't see that bit, that belt of the shaft. So when you put it up and you're looking at the top view, you can see all this bit, but when you come to here, you can't see this bit here, which is just outside that radius bit. Okay? So be careful with this. That's an easy win, isn't it? That's an easy win. We like that? Lovely.
So what was that number?
13, because it's hidden detail. Okay, let's go back to format. Let's go down and do the business. So let's have a look. We've got 32 plus 3 for that bit. So let's do a little rectangle. This is the easiest way to do this. Centre rectangle. Watch this. Here we go. Ready? Let's do the magic. Magic. Let's have a look. See if we do that. Centre rectangle. What is it? 32. 32 by 3. Which is like that. Now we're on the wrong layer, aren't we? We're on the wrong layer? We are on the wrong layer, so let's have a look at this. We need to be on format. Okay, now. Let's change this one to format. You can do it locally. Do that with format. Let's change it, it's not changed it. Let's delete that out, delete that one out like that, and just make sure it's on the correct layout, which it is. 32 times 3, and it's a centre rectangle. Just go like this on the bottom of the node, pull it out. There we are, 32 times 3, just like that. Smart dimension it. 32, which I was. That's 3 mil. Oh, that's easy enough. Chop out the middle bits because you don't want the middle bits in there, a little bit straggly. Okay. And what's the next one up? The next one coming up is 25 mil. It's the 22, isn't it? So that's going to be 11 mil off. So let's do this. Let's Draw a line here. It's coming up 25 mil like that. Let's smart dimension. Smart dimension. So it goes here to here. Oh, look at that. My good or what? 25 mil. Distance. What's the distance from there to the centre? 11. It's 25. Let's move that. See, let's move that. You don't want that, so let's undo. So I know it's 9. I'm going to offset that. I'm going to offset that by 2 mil. 2 mil. That way. See this one? See that one? Delete that one. And delete the one I've got. So cut this one out. Lovely. I know that's 11. That's 25. That's 11 mil. Always smart dimension. It's always wise to do that. And we've got capping off the top. Just cap it on the top. Here we go. Cap it. Straight across to there. No guesswork. You've got an R1 radius in there. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. It's R1. So it's R1, so in other words, if it's R1, then it's got to be 2 mil above the line, above it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, and that's an M14, a 7 mil line. I'm going to draw a line like this. So you can come across here about 7 mil, like that. And the distance from here to here, it's got to be 2 mil. Look at that. That should be doing a calculator. Draw the line up. Draw the line up from there to there, and it's 16. Okay, 16 to there, like that. 16. Offset that 1 mil. Let's do an offset. Offset 1 mil. Ready? Yellow move up like that. Delete it. And what do we want to do on the top there? We're going to cap it off. Cap it off like that. And what I want to do is I want to put on a little radius on there. So it's going to be 2 mil up. So what I'm going to do is put a point on here. Smart dimension it from here to here. 2 millimeters. And what we're going to do is we're going to put an arc in here. Let's have a look. So we can put an arc. Okay, 3-point arc. Go from there over to here. And just put an arc in there like that. Beautiful. Looking good? And they're asking the big questions like, what's that bit down there, that little curvature? What you can do is you can actually put a radius in there, a little curvature. I'm going to put in a 3-point arc, but you want to have it sort of set back from the job. Okay? Go in there, like that. Then you put an arc in there like that.
Does it matter how big the arc is at the top?
No, the arc has got to be, that's got to be R1. The one at the top is just license, okay? Yeah. So that's R1. This one here is just license. Remember, it's 2 mil. No, it's 2 mil up. Just do a from there to there. Just put an arc in. It's just to give a taper off, finish it off to the end of it. You know,
I see. Yeah.
It's not. It doesn't do anything. It's just to so you've got a finish on it. So you don't. If you see people, they don't put like a curvature on it or take off a rough edge. You know, keep that square. It's like bad practice in design and that, because you're giving it to someone pick it out of a box, and it's a steel bolt or steel shaft, they can get cut through their hands really easily. I've had it, someone gave me something, oh, can you pick out a bit of rodding? And they hadn't deburred the end of the rodding. I picked it up, I thought, what's that? Oh, and scored straight across my hand there. It stung like anything and bled like a trooper. Okay, so be careful when you're doing designs like that. So that one's like that. What we've got to do at the bottom, no, the bottom bit's a bit of license, there's no length to it. So what I'm going to do is, the bottom bit is, let's have a look at it, it's 13, so that's 13. Going across there, so we've got to do a little bit in. So it's 3 mil, so 3 mil for there, so come in 3 mil. And we'll go like this, I'm going to go down like this. Now I'm just going to go down about 20 odd mil, about there. About 20 mil. Make sure it's measured in from here to here. Do that, make sure it's got 3 millimeters there. And then what we're going to do, what we're going to use to actually fill it, are we going to fill it that off? No, we use a perimeter circle, because otherwise we lose it. Perimeter circle, there to there. Pull this out so it's 3 mil. Okay, best thing to do is if you put it onto there, it does it dead on that corner. Just go trim, and what you do is you trim that bit in there, yes, and then you just mirror that over, okay? So we just go like this, we go mirror this bit and this bit, about the centre line you've already got in there, like that, piece of cake. Now, it's not doing it quite right, the centre line might not be quite in place, check it, and now to there, it's got to be 16, there's 16, might be me. Escape. Have a look, yeah, that's on there. Just draw it on there anyway, just draw it over, undo. Just do that anyway, go into there, go from there, down to there. So alignment, 3 mil in. You can mirror this if you want, if you could mirror, I'm just doing it quick. And just go 1 and 2, and pull this out. I'll go up to there, so it's got 3 mil. Quick trim, Barber and Seville, there we are, yes. Now you did say about that bottom bit, well, this is where it comes in, this is where you need to extend that line. I want to put a line down here, imaginary line down here, and what I want to do is I want to extend this bit down here. And we use a spline line, you've not used a spline line yet. This is where you do, this is where CAD meets graphic modelling like 3D Studio Max and Maya. So onto there, and what I'm going to do is, the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to come across, I'm going to go down like this, put it up like that, I'm just going to go to the middle there, and then I'll put it over like that. Okay? Escape it, go sharp, okay? Don't make it go sharp.
So that's spline.
That's a spline line. If you look at this, this is what I mean about spline. See, it's not quite square. What's a spline line? I can now pull this in to make it so it's actually nice. So it's got spline lines. And see, it's got these anchor points. So you've got an anchor point on here, where and you can move it around and tweak it around like that, or you can also pull it back and forward to actually get it so the geometry looks just right. That is licensed on this one. And I'll do another spline line just to show you. And we can go from here, and we just go round on this one. So what I'm going to do is going to go like this, and just come round up to that point. There, escape, click on the spline line. I can then modify this if I want, so I can just put it in like that. And you can see it's not quite nice. You can make it so it looks beautiful.
The centre line isn't really centre. Doesn't make it look that nice.
Yeah. But if you pull this back over here, you can actually pull it down like that. Okay. And then what you can do is escape. Now this is the beauty of this thing. You can actually annotation. Go to here. Nice dog, like that. Nice doggy. Now, I wouldn't use brick, okay, but you can probably steel or something like that. And I'll do this. Go like this, go. Okay. And there's your hatch steel in there. You can do a thicker cross hatch. Mirror all this. Just going to, if you want to do the hatching, you go up into annotation, and then it gives you, and this is important guys, it's got all the different types of materials have their own, it's designated their own hatch style. I don't expect you to know it, and I don't even know any engineers that know all of the different types of hatching, just the generic ones like aluminium, steel, brick, or if you're in civil engineering, you know about hatching for like stud wall and for other things and beams and that. I'll mirror this one over. Let's mirror this one over. Here we go. It's mirror. So mirror on the wall, mirror, you set it up, like that. Hopefully it does. Let's mirror it properly. It should be mirrored like that. And mirror it about the centre line. There it is. And there's the pin. Now what's missing up there? What's missing is this bit. Now it's actually dead in the centre, 15mm long. So what you do is a box like this, go to the centre mark, you come up and make it 15, and it's 15 and it's 2.5 deep. Okay, like that. You can go down here, you can actually make it at your own, you don't have to. Smart dimension, go to here, go from here to there, and it should be 2.5. 2.5, like that. So look. And the distance from the middle end needs to be, so that one is 11, it has to be 15, so that's 7.5, like that. We trim it, so just trim this one out, away, like that, yes, away with that, there we go. And that's that done. Now you can join it back up, close it, do closure. So, looking lovely. Take that out, delete, take that out, delete, smart dimension, 1, 2, 3. Okay, trim that bit off. And that's that job done. So escape it, and over there like that. So there's your lug and your top bit. I haven't done the hidden detail line up to I need to change it. I need to do my hidden detail. That one, so that's what you email it, go on, you email
I'm
it.
just going to say we've got minutes to say do extra work for this month.
Okay? Is that easy enough? How do you do the other bit? You just copy it across and put that straight in the middle. Okay? So to do this one, copy this one, copy it across. Okay, so I'm going to copy, do it from there, over to there.
Keep it centre.
Just like that. Leave the annotation. Delete all of these. You delete this bit because you don't need it, do you? So you just take that one, or what you could do, you can actually copy this. If you're clever, just go copy 1, 2, 3, about or from this point. Just put it straight up to there. Trim this out. And mirror. 1, 2, 3, about 7 point. And there it is. Hopefully yours will look better than mine. Okay. Mine's just been quick because I'm doing
Yeah. How'd you get that? Oh yeah, the line format box. Basically, I think you go to view and then toolbars, and then from there you can go to line format, and then drag the line format thing to the sheet.
Oh, you're already showing it.
Okay. So that's